In this video, I'm going to share with you how to recover your Gmail password. So for example, you have opened your Gmail account, you try to open your Gmail account and you forgot the password. I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to recover that password. So to start with, let me open an incognito page, an incognito window. We can start from an incognito where we don't have any account, any Gmail account signed in. So we can come over here and type Gmail. And let's say I try to log in from here by typing in my email. I type in my email address and then come to next. And then I try to type my password and I click on next and boom, it has forgotten my password, or I have personally forgotten my password. And how to recover it? I just come all the way to forgot password over here and it's going to give you a range of options. So the first option is use your phone to confirm that it's you. When you have your Bluetooth turned on, this can help you to confirm that it is you and you have forgotten your password, and then it's going to log you in if you are the one. That by just checking your phone, you're going to see a sign that to confirm that it is you. If you don't have your phone close to you, you can say try another way and it's going to pop up. You have the option, another recovery option, that you can confirm this is your phone number, and then you will be provided with a code once you set in your phone number correctly. So you just put in your phone number, for example mine, and then you click on next, and then you have this auto recovery number on your phone. So once you are with your phone, you can just check your phone, and if you didn't receive it, you can say resend it from here. Okay, you can say resend and it's going to resend it. Okay, another method is I can put my authentication code. So I can just come to my account and just come to my authentication code. It's just like a token. Click to generate the pin and you can see the pin over here. I just put it 605222 and then you can click on next. You can get a verification code at this, or get a verification code at this, or you can try another way if you don't have access to any of these as well. Okay, so let's get a verification code at this. There's an alternate email that I put. So let me check on it. All right, and you can see the code over here, 381775. All right, so once you enter that code, it's going to ask you to change the password. Okay, so you create a very strong password. All right, and then you can confirm that. Now you can see you are signed in. So you are signed in. You can say continue. Dismiss this. And then once you come over here and click on Gmail, you will be referred back to your Gmail account directly. Okay, so here you are on your Gmail account. This is just a bit about how to recover your password in case you have forgotten. So you can just recover it and type in a new one.